Hey guys, this is Crystal from the Daily Motorcycle Cafe. Right now I'm going for a motorcycle ride with my father. My dad is riding the Yamaha SR 400. This is a new bike that actually looks old. It's actually so beautiful. To start this bike, you kickstart it. And I am riding a Yamaha R3. This is a 300. It's actually my dad's bike. So I'm riding in New Jersey right now.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
I live in Florida. The weather's perfect right now. Unlike Florida, there's a lot of potholes everywhere. So, I like to keep an eye out for that. That's my dad up there. He's a bit of a wild man. I tend to lose him at the lights. We're gonna go into a circle right now. I have absolutely no idea where we're going, but it's just nice to be riding with my father. My dad rides on the street every single day. He commutes to work, so he's a really experienced rider. He knows what he's doing. I don't ride on the street as much. So I admire his ability to handle the potholes and make quick calls. I take a little longer to think about it. I'm a little more cautious. It just comes with experience and time of riding. So tomorrow we're going to go on a ride up Skyline Drive. It's going to be really nice. I'm going to get some nice curvy roads. It's going to be a really good experience for me. I haven't ridden on really nice roads for a long time. That was a red light. I love this area of New Jersey. It's full of trees. And this is a really populated area. But there's actually it's quite a bit of nature. We're entering Demarest right now. Oh, look, a baby deer. Oh, don't hit the deer. Don't hit the deer.
Bambi, quick, the thicket.
Okay, my dad almost hit a deer. Oh my gosh. Like I was saying, there's a lot of nature around here. Wow. I am glad my father did not hit that deer. That wouldn't have been good for either of them. He handled that really well, though. He just kept his line. And eventually, thankfully, the deer turned around. I guess his ability to handle that situation just comes with experience. This area is so gorgeous. Look at these houses. That was an exciting ride. My dad almost killed Bambi. Bambi almost became roadkill. Thankfully, he was wearing a leather jacket and decent boots, good helmet. But it's still easy to get really beat up when you fall.
Bambi, quick, the thicket.